Hello everyone, this is Taryn with Wonderfully Made Handcrafting. Today I have a fun unboxing for you. I was so graciously gifted a pen from Benu. They had asked me what pens I liked most, and this one really stuck out to me. I love some pastel pinks, and there was some really cool ones that were just released, like the Aurora, but this one I couldn't stop thinking about it. And so I was so excited when they decided to send me this one. So let me unbox it and show you. But also, as I'm unboxing, remember that at the end of this video, I will show you what it looks like outside, because the colors of it outside and the sparkle are just spot on. So stay to the end for that, but let's unbox this pen. So first off, we have in the lid of the Benu boxes, you have your instructions and information about Benu here. So this is a little packet. Actually, I will just flip this all over. Hopefully, oh, nope, the thank you doesn't want to come out. But there's a little thank you on the back side of that. And then you have your blue ink cartridge right there, which is nice to have in case you don't have any bottled ink. And then in here you have your little book on how to fill it. And also what's really interesting, I love reading about the history of each company. And they are a rather kind of newer company. And so they have their about section right here. So about Benu. And then you can read more about their company. So that is a handy little booklet right there. I love how everything is actually in the lid instead of underneath the pen, like most pen boxes. And it's just sleek design for their box. Okay, so here we go. I'm gonna move this to the side, and here it is. This is Neptune's Reach, and it is a hand-painted pen. So this is a Euphoria model, which is the style of pen from Benu. And this was hand-painted by Natalia Doronkina. I'm not sure how to pronounce the last name, but it is absolutely beautiful, and she did such a good job. In the sunlight, you can even see, I'm not sure if you can tell in this lighting, but you can tell the different layers of paint that she has used. And so especially on those shadowy portions, they're actually like a purple shadow, but you can see that they are on top of different layers of paint. So this is the little octopus. Isn't he so sweet? Yeah, obviously his name is Neptune for the pen. But what do you think? Should we call him Neptune, or should I call him something else? But what I love about this pen is just the contrast of color. So you have that aqua and silver shimmer. So you have this right up here with the glitter in there. So obviously you have the glitter all throughout the pen. That is that fine kind of glitter in the aqua portions. But then you have the chunky one up here. And then look at this one. This is like my favorite part right here. Well, I mean, I like the octopus best. But like, look at this silver shimmer up here. And so they were talking about in the description on their website that it's kind of like the sun shining on top of the water. And so I just love it. So retail for this pen is $280. It's a little bit more than their normal pen because it is hand painted, and that is something I definitely think is worth it. I mean, where are you going to get another hand painted pen for this price? And it is just so well done. So everyone is just slightly different because they are all hand done, which I think is just so special. I like how it's like connected on the back side. Anyhow, I got a 1.1 stub nib on this, which is also pretty fun. That Benu does a couple of different nibs, like not from the regular, like I believe they have an elastic one as well. And they actually have a bigger stub. But I decided to get the 1.1, and yeah, let's test it out. I haven't actually inked it up at all. But let me show you the inside. If I can unscrew it. Okay. So we're gonna use actually Ferris Wheel Press's new ink, Scarlet Studio. I thought it might look kind of cool with the octopus. I am going to the DC pen show, so if this doesn't match perfectly, which I think it will because there's so many different colors of red and reddish orange in here, but if it doesn't match, then I'm going to try to find another ink at the DC pen show, because I'm not much of a red ink person, but this is definitely making me feel like I need some red ink. So if you know of a red ink that you like, that you think that might match up, definitely leave it in the comments down below. But let's fill this up. So hopefully I can get this box open. There we go. There's always a trick with Ferris Wheel Press boxes, I feel like, where it can be a little tricky sometimes to get it open. So this one doesn't have any shimmer in it, which I kind of actually prefer. I really like the shading inks most. Let's see. Let me move these to the side, and let me make sure I have a paper towel to wipe off the pen. Don't want any staining. And like I said, make sure you stay to the end, because I will show how gorgeous this pen is in the natural sunlight. Okay. I'm not worried about getting a full fill right now because I'm just testing out this ink. I do want to make sure it's definitely clean. I should have used my little ink bottle holder from Pengineered, because that thing makes sure that the ink bottle doesn't tip over when you knock it over, but I'm really trying hard not to, because that would be a disaster. And look at that. I happened to drop my cap of the lid. So yeah, I did get all inky from this. Okay, so let's put this in back together. And I have my Rhodia paper here. So I'm gonna write on this and we'll see how it goes. So this is, let me make sure it's going. Let's go. There we go. Look at that. Okay, so Benu Euphoria is the body style. And then it's called Neptune's Reach. Neptune's Reach. And then this is Ferris Wheel Press. So ink is Ferris Wheel Press. And then this one's called Scarlet Studio. And this one actually will release in just a couple days in August. I will leave my link down below if you want to grab it, but it is actually a beautiful color. This is so nice. Love this 1.1 stub. Sorry, I cannot talk apparently. So let me write up here, 1.1 stub nib. But you can see the difference between your downstrokes and your cross strokes. Look how beautiful this is. So it writes great. It's a really smooth writer for a stub nib. And yeah, I'm in love with this pen already. So yet again, this is Ferris Wheel Press Scarlet Studio ink and my new to me Benu Euphoria Neptune's Reach pen. And now I will show you how beautiful this pen looks outdoors.